What's up, guys? Hey, it's Legend. If you're trying to trade CPE, you're in the right place. Check out my video.
Testing. 1 million, 2 million. Great. Okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's working. Okay. Testing. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Well, you always hear that anyway.
Alright, guys. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. This is my first month of YouTube, and honestly, I never thought I would hit 15,000 views in my first month. I'm completely different than most YouTubers. I show you how to trade. Now, you can look up on YouTube. I guarantee you won't even find a video like this. It's so hard to find information like this. So if you could help me out, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, you don't even have to watch. All right, so I'm going to put this out here. I do have a free Discord. If you want to come learn, I can help you trade oil stocks also. It's completely free. The link will be in the description. We talk about the market. We help new traders. We also post charts, for the Nasdaq, Dow, everything, QQQ, we trade everything. So it's free. Come kick it. I would love to have you guys. All right, so let's get into it. Now, when you do this, you need to have a couple things booked. You need to go to Trading Economics and have crude oil. I highly suggest this, this website for your phone when you're at work, and you can't be on your laptop. Highly suggest this. It shows the crude oil down to the 1 minute. Super highly suggest this. And also you need to have your economic calendar up on market watch. CPI data, if it's good, it will pump oil. Just simple stuff like that. Like when the Saudis were cutting production by 2 million barrels a day, that was on here. That's the things you need to know about. Events, FOMC meetings, everything like that will push it. Crude oil. All right, so this is what I would highly suggest. So have West Texas crude oil up on TradingView. You're probably asking why. Why don't you have my stock on the screen yet? Let me show you why. So what happened if I told you crude oil controls your price in the oil stocks? You're probably like, oh, I didn't know that. Well, I didn't know that for 6 months when I was trading oil stocks, and it hit me in the face, and I felt like putting this out there. Now, look at this. So we had a spike back in March, right? That's when Russia was in there, right next to Ukraine. We had this spike. Let me show you what crude oil does to your oil stocks. This is what it does. See this big pump? This went from $1 to $8. That's what crude oil can do if it pumps. Look at this run. I actually made a video about this in October, calling this out. And if you got that video, I am so happy for you. You times your money by 5. That's what I'm saying. If you can subscribe to my channel, I put out updates like this. If I see a massive move coming, I will put out updates. But yeah, 9 is one of my favorite stocks. But check this out. So back in March when we had that spike in crude, we had a spike. Do you see what I'm saying now? Spike. It's the same thing over and over. Sorry. But you have to remember, like, crude oil will push your oil stocks. Like, if I flip through these really quick, start at the middle of the screen. Look. Let me go to actually a chart. You see how they kind of have the same pattern? Some of them are different, but that's just how it works. But that's what I'm saying. When you're trading crude oil, like, let's go to the 17th, right? So 17th we had a drop. 17th we had a drop. I can point all this out. 17th, all your oil stocks got hit. Now let me show you why. See, this is crude oil right here. See, the 17th, we've got a big, massive hit, right? So we got 2 days negative. So the 17th, boom. 18th, boom. Now, that's what I'm trying to show you. Crude oil will control your oil stocks. A lot of new traders, they don't know this. And that's what really bugs me is, they put their money in. They're like, oh, this is going to be like a rich company because they get so much money from crude oil. But yet they don't follow crude oil at all. That's what I'm pointing out. is you can learn how to trade oil stocks on point if you follow crude oil. See these big hits. Now, when you're trading crude oil likes to do this. It loves to shoot up and then drop and correct itself. Drop, correct itself. Drop, correct itself. Now we're coming up here and we're going to drop and correct ourselves. I see oil hitting about $60 a barrel. But listen, when we start hitting these $60 a barrel, and if you buy right here on your oil stocks, you're going to get this massive, massive pump, right? That's what I'm trying to show you. Is this is the easiest way to make money on your oil stocks is these massive pumps. If you can catch these, I know it's, you have to realize you're swing trading this. You're not day trading oil stocks. You can, you can follow the day chart on crude oil and, day trade, but honestly, swing trading is so good. Like this. Like if you would have just held for, almost a month, look, on 9, $2.50 all the way to 11. That's what you have to understand. Like here's the crude oil, it goes up, drops, up, drops, up, drops. That's what you have to understand with crude oil when you're trading it. You're swing trading it. That's the best way to trade crude oil. I'm not here to show you, oh, draw this line, draw that line. I'm showing you how to trade it the basic way, the easiest way. You don't have to spend 2 hours a day making charts. Oh, it's a left, left and right shoulder, oh my God, just it's not even worth it, honestly. Just watch crude oil and you'll see these drops in crude oil. But remember, if you're on a streak for a month, take your gains, be happy with it. But that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you the basic way to trade oil stocks. If you would like to join the Discord, I talk about oil all day. It's absolutely free. But thanks for watching my video. I'm Naz. Thanks for everything. I love you guys.